everyone. Today I'm going to be doing an experiment on which pillar can hold the most weight. I have made a triangular shaped pillar, a square shaped pillar, and a circular shaped pillar. This is a fair test because I made all these three pillars with the same A5 paper. So first let's start out by testing the triangular shaped pillar. We're going to be using books to see how many the pillars can hold. So we have to put the books in the middle of the pillar so that we can see how many it holds. The triangular pillar collapsed at 2 books, so it can hold the weight of 2 books. Now, let's test the square-shaped pillar. Let's keep one book, another book, another book, and another book. You can see that the square-shaped pillar collapsed at the 5th book, so it can hold the weight of 5 books. Now let's test the circular-shaped pillar. Keeping one book, keeping another book, 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 and the last book is the 9th book. As you can see, the circular pillar is holding 9 books. So it is holding 9 or more books. The conclusion of this experiment is that the circular pillar can hold the most weight of books. So it is holding 9 books. The triangular shaped pillar is holding 2 books, which means it is the least pillar which is holding the least amount of books. We use circular shaped pillars for holding a lot of weight, like in bridges and multi-compartment apartments. And we use square-shaped pillars for holding, like for example, coffee tables and dining tables and chairs. We use triangles as struts in some things for strengthening the thing. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.